The Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro is so good that I think you should consider picking up this device. And I'm going to share with you guys 3 reasons on why. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Let's get right into reason 1. And that kind of clears everything up for the other reasons too. It kind of opens the pathway into the other reasons, is the price. The price for this, $280. And for what you get with this phone, I think it is totally worth it. First of all, you're getting a great design and build, very light to hold in the hand. You're getting a great display, amazing software with Nothing OS 3.2, and Nothing doesn't cut any corners with the software. You're also getting NFCs, so you can have mobile payments. You're getting a triple camera setup, and for the price, it's a pretty decent setup. It's not going to be like iPhone 16 quality or anything like that. And anyone who's picking up this phone should know that it's not going to be like a pro level camera, and that's to be expected. You're getting great battery life. I mean, what more can you get for a price for a phone that's $280? I honestly think price is one of the main reasons, if not the main reason, why you should consider picking this device up. If you are at a price, at a budget, and you want something that's sub $300, it's going to be a really good phone for you. Again, with all those things that I named. Now, reason number 2 is going to be the battery life. And the battery life is awesome. It has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, which is very similar to a lot of other flagships like the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And this device lasts me all day. I'm a heavy user, so I'm using my phone all day, watching lots of YouTube videos, browsing the web, calling, texting, using it for social media, and I've had no problems, no issues whatsoever. Easily 7 hours of screen on time, getting about 45 to 50% of battery when I go to sleep. By the time I finish the day, I'm only using like half of the battery, so I can pretty much wake up with maybe 1 or 2% loss overnight and continue my second day. If you are a light user, forget about charging for 2 days. Like I don't think you'd need to charge this for 2 days straight if you just used it like here and there just to call and text once in a while. If you want great battery life, you go with the Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro. And the third reason is going to be the software. You are getting great software with Nothing OS. It's clean, it's minimal, it's aesthetically pleasing, but there are some great things about Nothing OS 3.2. So there's performance enhancements, so you can see enhanced overall system stability, improved adaptive brightness for better screen visibility. There is optimized photo processing and camera performance, which does help with the camera with Nothing OS 3.2. You're getting user interface improvements. You're getting hardware integration with those modular accessories, which unfortunately it's not available here in the US, so I hope Nothing does bring it, but so far as of right now they're not available. 3 years of software updates, which is great for this, and 6 years of security patches. Like the minimal look of this with all of these different widgets, I absolutely love it. The lock screen is also awesome. Like I don't have any issues whatsoever with Nothing OS. Now it's up there as one of the top 3 custom OEM skins that I personally like. We've got One UI 7 for me. Then we have Pixel UI with like Material U and Nothing OS. Like these are the top 3 that I personally really like. And I don't know, this one just is like aesthetically pleasing, but I've really come to love Nothing OS. And the more I continue to use this phone, the more I continue to like Nothing OS, and I would like to see this actually on other devices that I do use as well. But 3 years of commitment to Android OS updates is actually pretty decent. Right now it's running Android 15, so you'll get Android 16, 17, and Android 18, which is for this price, it's pretty decent. But overall, you're getting a great package. Like you're getting a pretty unique standout design, a great display, great software, decent cameras, again for the price, great battery life. Like I don't think you can go wrong with the Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, definitely be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel out a lot and will help push my content out to more people. Definitely be sure to check out my wallpaper pack right here. It is called Marble Alchemy. I'll be leaving links in the description down below, as well as my other wallpaper packs and my Notion templates, because those also do go a long way in helping the channel, and it pretty much runs, my business, my YouTube channels, and my other social media platforms. But I hope you guys did enjoy it. I'll catch you guys in the next video.